No, I had to do it. It looked too much like a Breaking Bad intro. Yes, this time I'm doing the intro instead of that guy.
Jesse boy,
Hey, get out of here. Get out of here. Wait, what is this? Oh. I'll save that for later. Well, as I told you before I was rudely interrupted, I'll be doing the intro this time. So hopefully I did it right. Guten Tag. Hopefully I did it right. Anyways, good morning. As you saw in the title of the video, Ikea, right? It's Ikea related. Now here's the backstory. My sister's actually moving, and she moved into a new apartment, and we had to get stuff from Ikea. And honestly, I have no idea how to make a video.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
I just record and edit. There's no like planning or anything like that. So yeah, just follow along. You'll be fine. Here's a clip of me eating salmon. Yo, this fish right here, it's amazing. It tastes like fish. Basically is I have to help my sister move because she's moving. She wanted me to take these suitcases. I've been traveling for like a couple hours now because she lives quite far away. Now I'm on my way. Yeah, that's basically it. There's nothing much to add. This up. Alright, we need to grab more stuff now at Ikea. Transition? I don't know, let's try. I think you know what this means. I am lost. No, I'm not, but I'm just chilling. My mom is waiting for me. This is Ikea mode right now. I'm working on this really important project. Check this. I got this on my side screen, you know. I gotta work. I got my work phone. On a serious note, I actually lost my mom. Like, I'm not even joking. Now I have to go look for her. And Ikea is a maze. I'm that guy. Having dinner with the fam. Check this. I'm bulking. Because I have more food than anyone else. I should have to finish this whole ball and this whole... This honestly made my day. No comment. Ice cream. Like I'm at Ikea, now it's time to build. But the car was full and had no more room for it. So I walked and took the bus. But I had fun. It's raining like crazy. I mean, it does feel nice because lately it's been really hot and it's cooling down. Plus I like the rain because I feel like Batman. It's feels kind of moist here. Look, absolutely not. It's underrated. You're doing these. All this Ikea stuff. I'm almost done with this one. I just have to screw these in, and then we're good. Couple days have gone by and it's still raining. I'm not even kidding. Anyways, right now I'm listening to Playboi Carti. I like Playboi Carti, but what the f is he saying?